Oh, it is sad day! Demoman!
Oh, I've really hit rock bottom.
Mission begins in 60 seconds.
Ah! Bloody hell! Go, go, go! Move gear up!
Now, move these things up!
Move it, lads! Stand on the point, you git!
Attention! You must defend our intelligence.
Stop it! Bloody hell! Cut the small. We must push little car!
Yeah, that's right. Today ain't your day, pancakes. Them $200 bullets ain't so hot when they don't hit nothing, are they?
Skull! I am not done with you yet. I am going to kill you, and kill you, and kill you. Push the car! Let this be a lesson for you. Next time, pick on someone your own tiny baby size. I killed many cowards for that. I think you should fight someone much, much smaller. Put up fists. Fight like big man.
Thanks, Pally. Way to go, Slugger.
Come on!
Incoming!
Here's a last go. Push! What's the matter with you? Go, go, go! Ah! To left! Yet! To right! Ah! Cart is not moving! Push! Ah, this is bad! Help me!
Get to the cart! Do not fail me again.
Ah! Ah! Cart is not moving! Stupid! 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 Oh, it is sad day! Very bad! My doctor's dead! Wah! Wah!
Oh, hey! You suck! Hey, a lot of good that gun did ya! Haha, dummy! Oh, what, you gonna cry? You gonna cry now?
Too many little men and his team!
Sandwiches! I eat 'em up!
What's the matter? Fat got your tongue? Here's what I have that you don't. A functioning liver, depth perception, and a pulse. You disgust me, fat man. You died as you lived, morbidly obese. Your precious sandwich won't save... Oh, no. Help! Help! Some assistance, please. I require assistance. What a disaster! Oh, merde. Oh! Doctor! Medic!
Let this be a lesson for you. Never make me angry.
I have been shown who is the boss! I hate you!
Stupid! Stupid! Stupid!
I feel like every bone in me body's broke. We're a sorry bunch of losers.
Yes! I have embarrassment to spies everywhere.
Demoman! Spy! We must all not help him!
Yes, but of course. Clearly they were outclassed.
Good! All of team are dead!